Hello and welcome everyone to another tutorial video from How to Log In. Do you want to unmatch or block someone from your Bumble account? Well then, in this video, we will be showing you how you can block people from whom you have matched previously on Bumble. Stay tuned till the end of the video in order to figure out how. First of all, let's go ahead and open up the Bumble application. As soon as you open up the application, you will be shown various profiles that you can swipe right or left on. When you match with someone and begin to have conversation, then the conversations will be saved on the message section. Tap on the message button at the bottom right corner and you will be taken into your conversations page. Just open up the conversation of the user that you wish to block. From here, you can easily unmatch or block the user by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner. Then from the pop-up menu, you can tap on the Unmatch button if you wish to unmatch with this user. In order to block, you can tap on the Block and Report button. After tapping on the Block and Report button, you will be asked to provide a reason for blocking this user. Select your appropriate response. You will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this user. Tap on the Block button and the user will be blocked. Their conversation will also be erased from your conversations list. Once you have blocked a user from your Bumble account, you will not be able to unblock them anymore. So that is how you can block users and unmatch with them on Bumble. If you find this video useful, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you wish to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.